Remains of radar for anti-aircraft guns battery at Mount Tajima. This outdoor stage used to be a radar site for the battery. It had an Mk441 radar, the first surface air radar developed by the Imperial Japanese Navy at the center. Motor-shaped terrain blocked the reflected waves from the mountains, buildings, the sea surface, and the ground surface. Through Japanese Navy radar, technology was behind that of the Allies. It succeeded in assembling a prototype radar based on the captured Allies one in summer 1943. After practical trials in Japan and Rabu, the Navy's first radar in Japan was equipped in the anti-aircraft guns battery at Mount Tajima on November 1944. During the Sasebo air raid in June 1945, 14 shootings used the radar were recorded. So you see here, that right there is the center, the radar piece that they used. You look at it today, really not much of anything left. Look how overgrown it's become.